Wonder how much shit I wrote down, you never broke down. My back used to be up against walls, it's on the ropes now. Fighting for that feeling we had in your Laredo. Back when you saw the thorns on my crown, more like a halo. My conscience punished me for the past while I was out there trying to ball. Bet you seen through the mask, hope I ain't being brash. If I say you could've split it with me, girl, you would see riches with me if you stuck around through the rags. My motivation these days is different. I mostly beat on myself, I don't wanna spoil a couple things I prayed for and was gifted. Just peep the drive, see how I stayed in my lane when they shifted. I knew that time could not erase what my destiny's written. Right there next to these writtens. In my skin and my DNA like the one that was risen. I'm out that grave and I'm where life is the only decision. I'm not alone in my plight, I want you alone for the flight. About to take off in a minute.
I dreamed it up, changed out my lifestyle. New money, nice house, I claimed it up. And that seems enough, but one thing really on me, I'm thinking of. In my sleep I see new scenes of a just you, me, two rings, no strings to cut. But I don't know what you want. You thinking of it make me wrong. Then has it been too long?
Yeah, still I got my eyes on the prize, nothing else in sight, just tunnel vision. If I got commas missing, I don't know who might come up missing. I don't know who gon' beat her through it. Thought you were that one time that got proven not to be so true. I got left halfway out my mind, had to gather some things. Rearranging what really matter, kill casual flings. Set the goal and saw nothing after, had to take a risk. Bet on me cause that's where the well. Before you fantasize of them, you should dream of a better self, and that's for real.
I dreamed it up, changed out my lifestyle. New money, nice house, I claimed it up. And that seems enough, but one thing really on me, I'm thinking of. In my sleep I